talkie.
Oh, good morning, BJ. You have been a very good boy once again this year. I hope you will continue to try to be the best in the future. Your mother and father love you very much and will always do what they believe is best for you. I was pleased to hear that you did such a good job as narrator at church on Christmas Eve. Can you believe Santa heard that? I was not surprised because you have very good talent. Your music, your schoolwork, the good decisions you make, always to try to do the right thing. Be patient, take your time with things that sometimes frustrate you. You will be successful. Thank you for the cookies and soy milk. I needed that break after traveling more than halfway around the world. Is that cool? Around the world?
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy and continue to be a good helper and friend. Santa.